gosh. Don't zoom in.
No, I have to.
Zoom in. Don't get me in. Stand.
Da da da.
You can get people while they're reloading. No? Yeah.
Dude, look at this!
My other bullet and 6 other bullets. One, two, three, four, five. Let's go! Let me grab my bullet.
Da, da, da,
You're loading
da,
now.
da, da, da.
No, I don't want that bullet. You should. Okay. There's a bullet over there.
First person shooter.
These two are mine. The loading. Oh my gosh, I'm so dumb. If you get shot once.
I shake the camera if you get shot. Like if I.
Ow.
It's realistic. And look at this. First person shooter. Da, 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 da. Da, da, da. Yo, sup? This Frogman's channel. Yes, you can.
People are cheating. You're just stakeouting.
Look at this. First person shooter for the camera.
Oh, that's awesome. Do that,
I
Sam.
know. I already done it for a little while.
Guys, You people are just sick. Why like a real person?
Frick you.
Deflect it. I'm gonna try to deflect it with my gun.
Can I have one?
Don't shoot.
No, I can shoot.
No. No. Okay.
Give me my bullet.
Just hold it. Okay. So. I'm sorry.
5 minutes, come on.
Where's my bullet?
Grab some of my guns. Vision is key. Key is vision. Vision's key. Vision's key, I guess. Let's try to find some of the bullets. I can't, then that sucks, and I can't. I'm gonna use this one. I was gonna try to use my other big gun, the disc gun,
Do you have any bullets?
for the disc gun.
No, for that.
Well, can I use some?